Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. You guys, I got all the motivation today. I got my workout done first thing in the morning, and I'm gonna knock out this project before 10 a.m. So I had to spread the love and share that motivation with you guys. Of course, I'm cleaning the Princess of Mess. We're cleaning her room, but today I'm really focusing on her closet. I am doing a complete declutter of her closet. I am doing a KonMari of her dressers and her clothes in her drawers. We are getting it done. Look at this closet. But it's okay because the end result is gonna be beautiful. She gets it, honestly. Like I said before, she's my princess of mess because I'm the queen of mess. So I'm just gonna help her out. Brand new dress, just hanging on for dear life. She just got that dress, you guys, and it's hanging on. But if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Kerima, and I love making cleaning motivational videos. So if you need that motivation today, you're in the right place. Thank you for watching. So I'm starting with the closet. That's going to be the biggest project for me in her room because I am getting all the clutter out and I'm going to reorganize just the way her closet functions. So I am starting in there. And again, guys, I didn't show it in this video, but if you are on a workout journey, a health journey, get your workouts in first thing in the morning and then tackle your day. It gives you so much energy, I'm telling you.
Say what's wrong or right. We're the only ones who can decide.
So I'm just getting everything out of the closet. She didn't have much clothes in here because honestly she couldn't really get to the clothes. All of her clothes is mostly balled up in her drawers. I will show you that later, but I'm getting every single thing out so I can clean it and reorganize it. And here comes my little helper. Actually, he was making more mess, but he's spending time with mommy, and I love mommy and me time.
I don't wanna waste my time, so baby we should start living now.
You guys don't know how frustrated I was to find these puzzle pieces up here. I have been looking for those puzzle pieces for 8 months straight. I had to woo-saw in that moment. No one knew where the puzzle pieces were, but they were at the top of my daughter's closet. How did they get up there?
You're feeding me lies. Everyone has been bugging me to sever the ties, but I would never, ever, ever would have believed them. No reason.
So I was just using Clorox wipes to clean off her shelves because she had sticky Easter candy stuck on most of them. Then I'm going to show you guys an after shot of what the closet looks like, nice and empty. Now it's time to get to work.
Lucky, lucky, lucky me.
Now it's time to sort through all the trash. Ladies, let me know, is my daughter the only kid that collects trash? Every time I clean her room and I go through, it's just like rocks and sticks that she found outside, pieces of paper with I don't know what on it, just lots of trash. Is my kid the only one who collects trash?
I'm going to smile, but I would never, ever, ever would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see.
So now I'm just sorting through her clothes, collecting hangers, reminiscing of some of her favorite outfits that I love, and just trying to organize everything and get it back in her closet.
Lucky, lucky, lucky. time. Ain't no looking back, I'm on the right track.
Now I'm just sorting through her bin of dress-up clothes. I'm actually gonna wash them because they don't get washed as often as our regular clothes do, because she just sticks it back in the bin after she uses them. So I'm gonna wash her dress-up clothes, and then I'm getting rid of that bin, and I'm gonna section off a part of her closet for her dress-up dresses.
I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are.
So a bit frustrated here. I'm looking in my daughter's drawers, and like all her clothes is pretty much jumbled up, balled up, just a hot mess. So I am going to take them all out of her drawers and fold them. I am going to do the KonMari style folding to see if that will create more space, make it easier for her to pick her clothes in the morning before school, make it easier for her to keep her drawers neat. I don't know, but I'm going to try it.
I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump. Oh, what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again.
Now, I've heard of the KonMari style decluttering and cleaning and organizing, but I never really got much into it because it just seemed like a lot of work, and none of it really sparked joy for me. But I have to be honest, folding her clothes like this and putting it in the drawer was making me really happy. I don't know, seeing it all nice and neat and organized, creating so much space for new things really made me feel good. So this KonMari lady is really onto something.
Clearer, trying to fly 'cause I'm light as a feather, but I get high, I get low at the same time. Feels so right when I'm...
So now she has so much more space in her drawers. I organize things by categories. So she's got long sleeve shirts, short sleeve shirts. Those are skirts and shorts, most of them in the dirty clothes, and then she's got pajamas at the bottom.
But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again.
So now I'm just trying to figure out how I want to organize her closet. I'm trying to think of a way that will make it easiest for her to pick out her clothes in the morning. I decided to go with tops on the left hand side where you see all those things hanging. You'll see me move the dresses in a minute. I'm gonna move the dresses to the top shelf in front of me. I'm going to put her dress up clothes on that bottom shelf to the left, and I'm gonna put her pants and her jeans on that bottom shelf to the right.
You hear them calling, shouting your name.
So I bought these bin organizers that I'm going to use to kind of organize her dolls from the Dollar Tree. They had the new colors out. I don't know if it's for the spring or the summer, but I was so happy to catch them because I never catch the new color bins at my Dollar Tree. It's as if there are a group of people who are waiting for the new colors the day they come out. They're always sold out, but I happened to be there the day that they were packing them out, so I got these pretty pink and teal bins to organize her dolls.
Just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful? No matter what the scars, no matter what they say, and we'll shout it out.
I also got some larger bins from the Dollar Tree in that same teal, pink, and white color to organize some of her books and her toys. Since I took her toy chest out of her room, I told her she could pick some of the toys that she was still playing with and put it in those bins so we could get rid of the big toy chest and she would have more space in her closet.
We'll come back once the tables turn. Bolder, go bolder. Now set your sails on high. And you're stronger, much stronger. perfect as you are, just the way you are. Keep on shining. You're perfect as you are, just the way you are. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scar.
Do you guys see my son hanging out over there in his sister's old life jacket? He's been wearing this life jacket for the past 2 days, and I'm just grateful today he doesn't have on the helmet. For some reason, as of lately, he likes to walk around with the life jacket on and her bike helmet.
Just the way you are, oh, just the way you are. I don't wanna be alone, spend too much time by myself. So many things that I still don't know. It's time for me to move on. I want you right here, but you're all across the globe. Never call me back, even though you're on your phone. Wishful thinking gets the best of me, hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine, just some time off we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I don't. I do not wanna give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now, not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more of my life. I'm all in with my mind. Will you ever call me back? How am I supposed to go if we never said goodbye? Reading through our convo, trying to find where it went wrong. Baby, I'll be fine if you text me one last time. Wishful thinking gets the worst of me, hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine, just some time off we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I don't. I do not wanna give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now, not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more of my life. Hey, yeah. Oh, I'm not give you more of my life. Movies make it look.
So I found these little canvases at the Dollar Tree. I actually was just at Home's this week, and I saw the same exact canvas, the one that I'm hanging right now with the little perfume bottle on it. I saw the same exact canvas in a pack of 3 for 20 bucks. They have these canvases at the Dollar Tree for $1 each. So save your money, get them from the Dollar Tree. I was just trying to create a little collage wall for her. Now this room looks like a room fit for a fashionista. Nice and clean and beautiful. I told her her room needs to stay like this for at least a week. Like, give me a break. Mommy is tired. But everything is clean. Her drawers are nice and neat. I organized her toy bins as best as I could. I know the pictures are off-centered, but as I was hanging them, I decided I was going to pick up a few more. So I'm going to fill in that empty space on the side of the pictures there. So don't kill me. I know it's off-centered. I'm going to fix that. And I want to show you guys her closet.
Oh, I wish I could rewind it. Only us.
So her closet is nice and clean and organized. Everything has a home. She can easily get to all her clothes. Her dresses have a home. Her dolls have a home. Everything is organized. Even her little doll clothes have a little basket there at the top. If you guys enjoyed this video, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I really appreciate you for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, or this is the first video you've seen from me, my name is Kerima and I love making cleaning videos and organizational videos. So please subscribe and join my YouTube family. Like the video and give me a comment down below. I love chatting with you guys. I love making new friends here on YouTube. So leave some comments. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
You and me, we kept on riding in your arms. The only place I wanna hide, yeah.